Photo, our second one comes to us from Carboneer, taken this morning by Tina Priddle. Beautiful shot, beautiful shot. Tina, thank you very much for sharing that photo with us. Now, I just got this video on Twitter a couple of minutes ago. It comes to me from Richard Raymond, and he said, "What's up with the clouds?" And I kind of pointed that out during my last forecast. The clouds have that kind of arc look to them. Those are called undulatus asperatus clouds. I know the video there is shaky, but you can see the clouds have that kind of up and down look to them. And that is because the air aloft is turbulent and the clouds are kind of following the turbulence of the air, if you will. And oftentimes we'll get clouds like that as areas of low pressure are on the way in, and one is right now, at least to eastern areas of the island. Our friends across the Burin Peninsula, south coast, southwest coast, parts of the west coast have been seeing rain on and off through a good portion of the day, whilst in Labrador, other than scattered flurries or showers, it's been a beauty of a day. Looking down to the south, we can see the rain across Nova Scotia and now to the east of Nova Scotia, and some snow showers showing up there over the Cape Breton Highlands. There is rain across southern Newfoundland, working toward the Avalon as well. That will work east and north overnight as the area of low pressure swirling in here begins to work to the east as well. So future radar, futurecast will show that rather well. You've got the green here, which is rain. The blue is the snow. As we go into the overnight period, the rain lifts northward. By tomorrow morning, waking up to some flurries over northern areas of the Avalon Peninsula up through Clarenville, and even some light snow toward the Bonavista Peninsula, and potentially a small area of snow from Fogo Island back to just northeast of St. Albans. If we do get the snow overnight, some areas will wake up to a little bit of snow by tomorrow morning, but tomorrow, even if temperatures hover near freezing, the sun angle's high enough that all of that will melt and roads will just be wet. But there may be some locally slick roads early Thursday morning. Throughout the day Thursday, we see areas of wet snow or light flurries working toward the Avalon, working across Bonavista Bay, and by afternoon, most of that is done with, and I suspect many of us will see some sunshine by tomorrow evening. The areas of central, western, southwestern, southern Newfoundland will see sunshine earlier in the day tomorrow, setting us up for what should be a decent day. We're kind of in the time of year now where if you get any sunshine, temperatures may get to 7, 8, 9 degrees as long as the air aloft isn't too cold, which it's not. In Labrador, a few flurries and or some showers on the way for tomorrow as well. So here's the expected snowfall from tonight through tomorrow evening. And the computer model here, especially from Clarenville up toward the Bonavista Peninsula and the northeast, and the Avalon Peninsula north rather, may be a bit generous with the snowfall total showing up here on the map. I suspect if we get anything, we're closer to 5, not 10. Same thing for Gander, closer to 2, not 5. And same thing for areas out on Fogo Island and St. John's. Trace, but I'd be almost surprised if we get more than that. Temperatures tonight to tomorrow morning near freezing as rain changes to wet snow for the day tomorrow morning. Flurries, some afternoon sunshine, highs 1 north, as warm as 8 south. Western half of Newfoundland tonight near 0. Areas of showers or flurries going to flurries by tomorrow morning. For the day tomorrow morning, flurries, afternoon sun. A beauty of an afternoon for central, west coast, and parts of the south coast where highs get to close to 10 degrees or nearly 10 degrees. Into Labrador overnight, -1 to -6 with some scattered flurries, and the scattered flurries linger into tomorrow as well. Your 5-day forecast for eastern Newfoundland: morning flurries on Friday, flurries and or showers on Saturday, highs both days near 2 degrees. A little better for Sunday, and better yet for Monday, with high temperatures near 5 degrees. So always that little glimmer of hope at the end of the 5-day. Central Newfoundland, 5 degrees on Friday, a few morning flurries, showers and flurries Saturday, 7 degrees on Sunday, and 10 for your Monday. For western Newfoundland, looking at a few showers on Friday, otherwise it's dry with a warming trend. As we look toward Monday, Monday's high right now, 10 degrees is currently in the forecast cards. And for Labrador, looking at some late day flurries tomorrow in the west, a little bit of rain and snow Sunday. Otherwise mild with highs near 0 in the west. In the east, a few flurries and or areas of drizzle or even freezing drizzle through the weekend. And next week, mainly cloudy with a high around 1.